Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by auditing core prerequisites. Confirm billing, add account health, and any disapprovals so you can act immediately. Next, validate the pixel and event firing. If events miss, you'll lose optimization data. Once done, verify your domain and reapply for any rejected assets. Pause low-performing ads, then duplicate the best ad and make one small change to test. This gets you live optimizations quickly while keeping learning phase data intact and preventing further spend waste. You now dig into the middle work. Refine audiences by separating first-party lists, lookalikes, and interest groups to reduce overlap and improve signal. Then adjust bids and budgets conservatively. Change attribution windows only when you need clearer conversion timing. Run structured /B tests for creative and copy, and switch placements based on performance rather than assumptions. Also check landing page speed and tracking consistency. Slow pages or missing UTM parameters break attribution and raise cost per result. You finish by scaling validated winners gradually, increasing budgets by 10 to 20% every 2 to 3 days to avoid resetting learning. Then measure with lift tests and conversion cohorts to confirm incremental value versus baseline. If performance degrades, recreate the campaign structure and reauthorize the pixel and domain rather than endlessly tweaking live assets. Troubleshooting tip: if conversions drop suddenly, check attribution settings, event deduplication, and recent policy flags. Revert recent.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.